Hello and welcome. I'm John, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson on agriculture, cleanliness, and behaviors during a pandemic. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Whether there is a pandemic or not, agricultural workers play an important role in keeping our country fed. Working the fields during a pandemic can be a challenge, as viruses and bacteria can be spread in different ways. This lesson will go over the behavioral strategies, cleaning and disinfecting tips, social distancing, and your personal responsibility for health. No matter if you are working in the fields, feeding livestock, packaging food, or performing another task, there are many ways you can minimize your chances of getting sick. Though changing your behaviors can be hard, frequent practice can help you maintain habits that eventually can affect change. Habits may include frequently washing your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or use a hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Please note that if hands are visibly soiled, you should wash them with soap and water. You should wash your hands when arriving at work or before leaving, before and after eating, after using the toilet, after close interaction with other people, after making contact with shared surfaces and tools, and before and after wearing masks, face coverings, or gloves. Remember to practice proper coughing and sneezing etiquette by using a tissue or your elbow. You should throw away tissues after each use, and wash and sanitize your hands after throwing the tissue away. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth as much as possible. Avoid the sharing of PPE whenever possible. And if you have to share PPE, remember to disinfect after the person has touched it and before using it. It is also recommended that you use a face covering whenever possible, but please be aware that face coverings will not protect you from the disease. They are meant to help protect others from your droplets if you sneeze or cough. And remember that face coverings should be washed at the end of the day. Additionally, it is also recommended that you do not share food, drinks, or utensils with coworkers. This includes not bringing any communal food to work. Moreover, it is critical that you are being courteous to your coworkers by not touching their personal items. Picking up after yourself, which means keeping your work areas clean. And most importantly, the best way to keep others safe is staying home. Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.